Hi, it's Matt Mathias here, the Fit and Freepreneur, and today I'm going to do a quick review and unboxing of the Freestyle Optium Neo. Now, I've opened it already, but I just want to show you what comes in the box. Now, first of all, let's have a look at it all, and I'll just put it all down there. Now, first things first is the paperwork. I'm not going to read that, I'm not going to show you that at the moment, but you get the gist. Everything that you get from your meters will be in there. The second thing that you get, apart from the paperwork, you get some free test strips. Here you get 25 free test strips. I've seen boxes now for these Freestyle Optimum with 10 in them, and also I've seen boxes with 50 in them. So you get that also. Also, what comes with it is this USB, and this is going to be the data cable, isn't it? Because this I do not think is rechargeable. This comes with a battery. But one thing I've got to say about Abbot, they have supplied a real quality USB cable here. I use my Libra one to charge my mobile phone up because of all the cables I've got at the moment, this charges it up quicker than all the rest. So I like that. Thank you, Abbot. And now let's open up this bag. Now you get the meter, but also you get the finger pricker. Now I'm going to say one thing first. I don't like this finger pricker, and I'll tell you why now. You might like it, you know, but I find this button here that I've got to put in quite a bit of energy just to click it. And in the past, with finger prickers like this, you know, there's that split second where you go, when's it going to come? And then you go like that. So I won't be using this. I've got my favorite finger pricker that I use. And by the way, it is an Abbot one as well. It's one of a blue square Abbot one. I just find that absolutely great. And they come, you know, with the same lancets. And I think this comes with 10 free lancets with it as well. And then here is the meter. Now, press the butterfly in the middle. Now, the first things first, I will say that it does feel a bit flimsy. It feels a bit plastically. It doesn't feel that quality. Then again, I could be wrong. You know, it is very light, and if you've got to carry it around all day, it's quite discreet. Now, one thing I do like about it is look how thin it is. It is really, really, really thin. Compare it to the Freestyle Libra, you can see how thin it is. And can you see the monitor? It's not like the Freestyle Libra monitor, where it's more of a mobile phone type of display. This is more of an e-reader type display. Now, the reason why I've got this is because in the UK you need to test your blood before you drive. I turned up to my diabetic clinic and I tested my blood with my Freestyle Libra, and they said at the moment that doesn't count. You know, I can't just scan my sensor with this. What I need to do is I need to test my blood before they allowed me to drive home. They gave me this meter for free, and then I was safe to drive home without breaking the law. Now, will I swap over from this to this? The simple answer is no. However, I am going to be using it. This is now going to be sitting in my car. Also, I might actually have it in my pocket because this is a very thin blood testing meter, and it can slip in your pocket just like a wallet. But this is going to be my full-time meter. And most of my readings will be just scanning the sensor, and then this will be my backup one. Now, one thing that I love about it is that both take the same strips. And the other benefit of it, both sensors also, if I look here, you can test your ketones on them as well, but you've got to have a different, just in focus, you've got to have a different test strips for your ketones. But that's my quick unboxing, quick review, quick thoughts. Please subscribe, please like, and if you've got any comments at all, just put them below about the sensor. I'm not going to be using it. I'm just going to be using it to prick my finger, read the meter, and then drive. If you've got a long-term experience with it, please comment below. So somebody else who's actually watching this video can either make a decision to buy or can make a decision to go for some different meter.